Have you ever walked into a store, ready to buy something, and suddenly found yourself walking out with much more than you planned? Maybe you went in for a simple phone case and walked out with a new smartphone, a protective cover, and a couple of accessories. That's the magic of upselling and cross-selling, and it's not just about making a sale. It's about enhancing the customer experience and delivering real value. Today, let's dive into some advanced sales techniques that can transform the way you approach selling, focusing on upselling, cross-selling, consultative selling, and the power of storytelling. Let's start with upselling. Imagine you're in a restaurant and you're eyeing the regular burger on the menu. The server comes over and says, for just a few dollars more, you can upgrade to our gourmet burger, which comes with a special sauce and fresh avocado. Suddenly, you're tempted. That's the essence of upselling, encouraging customers to consider a higher-priced option that offers more value. It's not just about pushing a more expensive product. It's about helping customers see how that upgrade can enhance their experience. Now, think about cross-selling. You're buying that new smartphone, and the salesperson suggests a protective case and a screen protector. This strategy is all about recommending complementary products that enhance the primary purchase. It's not just about increasing the sale. It's about ensuring the customer feels fully equipped and satisfied with their purchase. When you understand your customer's needs, you can tailor your recommendations to align with their preferences. For instance, if someone is frequently editing videos, suggesting additional memory storage becomes a no-brainer. Highlighting value is crucial in both upselling and cross-selling. When you emphasize how the additional purchase improves the customer's experience or solves a problem, you're not just selling, you're providing a solution. For example, if you're offering a premium software plan, you might say, with this plan, you'll get 24/7 support and enhanced security features. This approach not only justifies the higher price, but also reassures the customer that they're making a wise investment. Another effective strategy is bundling products. Think about those starter kits you see, like a camera bundled with a lens and a memory card. Bundling not only provides convenience, but also creates a perception of value. Customers often appreciate the idea of getting everything they need in one package at a discounted price. Timing is everything, too. It's essential to suggest upgrades or add-ons at the right moment, like during checkout or when discussing renewal options. But here's a tip. Don't overwhelm your customers with too many choices. Focus on one or two highly relevant suggestions that resonate with their needs. Now, let's shift gears and talk about consultative selling. This method is all about building trust and acting as an advisor rather than just a salesperson. It's about understanding the prospect's industry, challenges, and objectives before even starting a conversation. You want to ask open-ended questions that encourage customers to share their goals and pain points. For example, asking, "What challenges are you currently facing with your workflow?" can open the door to a deeper conversation about their needs. Listening actively is crucial in this process. When customers share their thoughts, pay close attention. Clarify details when needed, and make sure you're diagnosing their needs accurately. This approach allows you to provide customized solutions that directly address their unique situations. For instance, if a customer is looking for a way to streamline their team's communication, you can showcase how your platform allows for real-time collaboration, potentially saving them hours each week. But consultative selling doesn't stop at the sale. It's about building long-term relationships. Follow up regularly to ensure customer satisfaction and address any future needs. This dedication to the customer's success fosters loyalty and trust, which can lead to repeat business and referrals. Now, let's explore the powerful tool of storytelling in sales pitches. Storytelling is what makes your pitch engaging, relatable, and memorable. Why does it work? Because it simplifies complex ideas and creates an emotional connection. When you tell a story, you're not just presenting facts, you're demonstrating the value of your product through relatable scenarios. To effectively use storytelling in sales pitches, focus on the customer. Make them the hero of the story. Share how a similar client overcame challenges using your solution. For example, you might say, "One of our clients, a small business owner, doubled their sales within 3 months after implementing our software." Real-life examples like this resonate with potential customers and make your product feel tangible. Incorporate challenges and solutions into your narrative. Present a problem that the customer can relate to, followed by your product as the solution. For instance, many businesses struggle with manual processes, which is why we created an automated system to save time and reduce errors. This structure not only engages your audience, but also provides clarity on how your product addresses their specific needs. Engage your audience with vivid descriptions, relatable characters, and a clear narrative structure. And don't forget to end with a call to action. Conclude the story by inviting the customer to take the next step. You might say, "Just like client name, you can achieve similar results. Let's discuss how we can help your business." In summary, advanced sales techniques are about more than just making a sale. They're about delivering value, understanding customer needs, and building relationships. By mastering upselling and cross-selling, embracing consultative selling, and harnessing the power of storytelling, you can create a sales experience that is not only effective, but also memorable and impactful. So the next time you're in a position to make a sale, remember, it's not just about the transaction. It's about the journey you take with your customer.